everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, few days back it was my birthday and I was as usual not very excited about my birthday. I was thinking that it's just one more year and nothing else. So मुझे इतनी excitement नहीं थी. And I don't know that what had happened to me that from last few years I'm always like I don't feel very excited about my birthdays anymore. I don't know, I feel a little anxious and I feel a little bit of the anxiety, and it's a very weird feeling. Yeah, we are growing old, that's true, but I feel that my parents are also like growing old with me, and that feeling is little weird. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say here. But what happened different on this birthday, that I actually ended up like having my own party. So I was scrolling through the YouTube feed and I got this video suggested on my feed. It was by a YouTuber, Sejal Kumar, and she was, it was her 25th or 26th birthday, I don't remember, but she organized a full-fledged party for herself. And I thought to myself that I also, need to do this. She has invited her friends. Like in this time, I know I can't do that, but at least I can cheer myself up and I can spend this day, and I can organize something for my family, and I can spend this day with the people that care for me the most and those who love me the most. So I think we don't need any big kind of party to celebrate a day. Then I thought कि नहीं, मैं भी like कुछ करती हूँ and मैं इतना सुस्त होके नहीं बैठने वाली. तो till 1 September I was clueless and मुझे याद भी नहीं था it is my birthday, like September इतनी जल्दी आ गया अब तो पहले टाइम ही पास नहीं हो रहा था और अब September is so quick. So I was like, okay, and I have to do something for myself. So I straight away went to market with my sister and we bought some of the stuff, like थोड़ा decorative stuff ले आए and बहुत ही like very cheap things. 300-400 में पूरा setup हमने बना लिया. I thought कि no, I have to celebrate and I have to make this day special. तो like birthdays तो हर साल आएंगे ही, and it's up to you whether you feel sad about it or you feel happy about it. So like पहले भी ये होता था कि I don't know, मैं बोल रही हूँ कि पिछले कुछ सालों से I'm not feeling very excited whenever it's my birthday. Like it's just a normal day for me. दो मैं थोड़ा depressed हो जाती हूँ उस दिन कि यार बड़े हो गए हैं, 1 साल और बड़े हो गए हैं. तो हर बार ये होता था कि पहले भी I used to think कि यार मेरी family मेरे लिए ले आएगी, like they will make me cut the cake, मेरे लिए कुछ कर देंगे, ऐसे कर देंगे, या मैं सोचती थी कि they will organize something for me. But on this birthday, I realized this thing that your happiness is actually in your hands, right? तो आपकी happiness ना आप ही के हाथ में है. तो मैंने उस दिन डिसीजन लिया कि I want to be happy and I want to celebrate this day. यार हर साल birthdays तो आने ही है, but it's your responsibility that you celebrate your life and you celebrate this thing. But this could be different for different people. Like I'm talking about myself here, that I used to do like this and then मैंने ऐसा celebrate किया. But हो सकता है कुछ लोग बहुत lavish parties करते होंगे या बहुत excited होते होंगे उनके birthdays के लिए. कुछ चीजें लेके आई मैं एक curtains लेकर आई, silver curtains, then कुछ balloons and थोड़े से like theme based थोड़े से balloons लेकर आए हम, then cake लेकर आए छोटा सा. तो I'll show you the pictures. So guys, मतलब दिन जो है वो बहुत ही best गया. पूरा दिन मैंने अपने आप के लिए इतना किया and मैंने पूरा डेकोरेट किया पूरा एरिया को एंड मुझे बहुत मजा आया एंड आई वॉज सो एक्साइटेड. पूरा दिन बहुत अच्छे से गया. फिर मैंने बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स ली. एवरीथिंग वॉज ग्रेट. बट मैं रात को सोई आराम से एंड आई वॉज सो एक्साइटेड क्योंकि मैंने पूरे दिन का ब्लॉग भी बनाया था फॉर माई बर्थडे एंड आई वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड. आई थॉट कि रात को सोते वक्त आई वॉज थिंकिंग दैट सुबह उठ के मैं एडिट करूँगी अपना ब्लॉग एंड देखूँगी कैसे क्या है. So in the morning when I wake up, then I was scrolling through all the data. Then I put that data into another folder and I was scrolling through it and I was looking at my footage, and then accidentally I deleted the videos. Yeah. I deleted the whole footage of that day, my birthday, and thank God the pictures were in some other folder, so I had the pictures with me, but the videos they got deleted. And I was left with nothing at that time. and I felt so like I felt like crying literally. It was so like एक दिन इतना खुश and next day it was very sad for me. ये चीज याद आ रही थी कि मेरी वीडियोस डिलीट हो गई और मुझे बहुत ही बुरा लग रहा था literally. I was feeling very sad. But then I just collected myself and I should share my experience and how I felt. So I think you should celebrate each and every moment in your life. Excuses नहीं लेने चाहिए कि यार मेरे तो फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे नहीं है और या मेरे लिए कोई कुछ नहीं कर रहा, तो अपने लिए खुद कर लो जो भी करना है. बट बस एक ही बुरी चीज हुई कि डिलीट हो गई फुटेज. बट आई ट्रूली बिलीव दैट व्हाटएवर हैपेंस इट हैपेंस फॉर अ रीजन. तो उसमें भी कुछ भगवान की कुछ मर्जी होगी, शायद वो अच्छा नहीं बना होगा. वो जो ब्लॉग में का मेरा आइडिया होगा मे बी वो अच्छा नहीं होगा, या आई डोंट नो. लाइक आई थिंक द गॉड डिडंट वांट मी टू पुट इट लाइक ऑन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म मे बी, सो दैट्स व्हाई इट गॉट डिलीटेड. और या फिर मैंने उससे लेसन सीखा कि लाइक अब मुझे पता है कि मुझे कैसे सेव करना है उसको अच्छे से, ताकि कभी फिर से मेरा डेटा जो है लॉस्ट ना हो. वैसे मैंने रिट्रीव करने की भी काफी कोशिश की, बट वो कोशिशें नाकामयाब रही. Like I want to really say a big thank you to all the people who wished me on my birthday. They called me, they dropped me a message. Like I'm really blessed. I never expected that I'm gonna get so much calls and so much like love from other people. So I'm very thankful about that. So I wanted to share this story कि मैं बिल्कुल भी excited भी नहीं थी अपने बर्थडे को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, और लाइक बहुत ही ओके सा था. बट देन आई टुक द चार्ज ऑफ लाइक माई ओन हैप्पीनेस कि नहीं, मुझे भी अपने लिए कुछ स्पेशल करना है. एंड मैं दूसरों पे डिपेंड नहीं रहूंगी कि मेरे लिए किसने कुछ किया या नहीं किया. लाइक मैं खुद जाके करूँगी. एंड बिलीव मी, आई एम द ओनली क्रिएटिव पर्सन इन माई फैमिली. मैं उनकी क्रिएटिव स्किल्स पे उनको लाइक ट्रस्ट भी नहीं कर सकती थी. तो आई वाज लाइक मुझे करना था सब कुछ. एंड आई फील सो हैप्पी बिकॉज आई डिड एवरीथिंग फॉर माई सेल्फ. एंड मे बी और लोग ऐसे करते होंगे, बट आई फर्स्ट टाइम डिड समथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड मुझे तो बहुत ही मजा आया. तो जो भी चीज़ें मैंने ली दे आर टोटली रीयूजेबल, तो हम दोबारा से उनको भी यूज कर सकते हैं. नाउ आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक अबाउट समथिंग वेरी सीरियस, and that is that this year I turned 26, and I just wanted to share that how I feel. So first of all, there is nothing much change. Like जैसे मुझे 25 में लग रहा था वैसे ही मुझे 26 में लग रहा है. कुछ ऐसा विजिबल चेंज तो एकदम से नहीं आता, बट डेफिनेटली कुछ चीजें जो है वो होना स्टार्ट हो जाती है वियर्ड सी. बट या यू नो कुछ चीजें तो जरूर चेंज होती हैं. एंड the only thing I'm not liking, though I'm enjoying this phase completely, that I'm 26 right now. I have 26 years of experience of life. Like wow, this is amazing. I'm very thankful for another year, and I'm healthy. I have my family with me. I have food on my plate. I'm very grateful for that, and I'm totally loving this phase of being a 26-year-old. But there are certain things, you know, which like turns you down a little bit, and that is that like everybody who called me on my birthday, every single person, they ask me, when are you getting married? So now, when are you getting married? And I'm like, I don't know. I'm like, I hated this concept of setting standards. Like they have set these standards that at this age you have to get a job, then at this age you have to get married, at this age you have to have children, then you know at this age you should get retired and you know just rest in peace. So I do totally hate this concept of setting standard specifically for age, that at this age you should have done this, at this age you should have done this. I don't know, this makes me feel really frustrated. And I feel that every person has a different journey, and it's a very individualistic thing that when you want to get married, or like what you want to do and when. I think it should be totally on you. And I am not saying that those who get married earlier or like even late in their 30s or in their early 20s, that they have done something wrong, but it's just about the individual decision and you know the individual perspective to it. That I don't know why the society is so weird, like it behaves so weird. The society is us, right? Me, my family, my friends, my relatives, we together make a society. And we, we are not like out of this thought that मतलब हम digest ही नहीं कर पाते कि 26 हो गए and you're not married or you are not in relationship. They are like तुम्हारा क्या बनेगा, and I'm like क्या हो गया भाई, इतना भी क्या हो गया. And only this is the thing I didn't like about turning 26. Otherwise, I'm totally chilled and I'm loving it, and I think you should enjoy every phase of your life. We are learning so much, and I think it's a beautiful experience though. जैसे कयामत एक दिन आनी है, वैसे शादी भी एक दिन होनी है. तो like क्या कर सकते हो आप कि आप डिले कर सकते हो, अवॉइड कर सकते हो. तो I'm gonna do that, like रोको जब तक रोक सकते हैं, फिर देखते हैं. So that's it with the video, and I hope you will like this video. दो प्लान कुछ और किया था मैंने and बन कुछ और वीडियो गई, but it's okay, जो हुआ सो हुआ. Then I thought that I should sit and just talk with you and share my feelings, and I hope you will not judge me. And if I said something like wrong or something with which you not agree, then I can just ignore, okay? And yeah, so do like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I promise from now I'm gonna come up with good content, like thinking about making some good videos. So I'll do that, and make sure that you have hit the bell icon so that you're getting notified whenever I'm coming up with new videos. Also, you can share this video if you want to with your family, friends, and whosoever. So I'll see you soon in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself, and I love you all. Bye.